Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how EasyEdge Smart EdgeNode Recovery helps minimize downtime and restore operations fast when a gateway fails. Inside EasyEdge Studio, under the System Overview, we can see that one of our site gateways has gone offline, triggering a failure alarm. To begin the recovery, we start by offboarding the EdgeNode license from the damaged gateway. Just a few clicks, and the process is complete. Next, we onboard the replacement gateway. Copy the installation command from EasyEdge Studio and run it on the new device to initiate setup. The EdgeNode installation starts immediately, downloading all necessary components and registering the gateway using the existing license. Return to EasyEdge Studio, access the same EdgeNode, and in just a few seconds, the new gateway will come online, automatically validated with the same license. Thanks to EasyEdge's cloud-first architecture, your full project configuration remains securely stored and instantly available. No need for backups and no time lost on recovery. To complete the recovery, simply deploy the project configuration to the new gateway. EasyEdge Studio handles the deployment automatically, sending the full project setup to the newly onboarded gateway. That's it. With EasyEdge Smart EdgeNode Recovery, your data flow is restored in moments, ensuring business continuity with minimal disruption. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more on how EasyEdge simplifies industrial IoT.